So children, let us write the volume page number 34 today. So previously we had learned how to write the rhyming words. So can you see the first one? Write 6 rhyming words you will use for your poem. So you want to write the rhyming words here. 3 sets. See, you can see 6 rhyming words. Okay. So write 6 rhyming words and basing on them you want to write a poem in the second question. So try to write your own rhyming words and complete the volume by writing the poem. Okay. Now let us see the textbook page number 33. See the first question. What is the poem about? You observe the title, you observe the things, even you can find in the genre. So previously we observed that genre is a poetry. Okay. So in this poetry, what the poet wants to tell us regarding? Just observe carefully and write your opinion on what is the poem about. Now second question, read the poem again. Write 5 things that you found really funny and silly in it. So already we thought that the story contains funny things and very silly things. So any 5 things which makes you to laugh. Really, can we do this? Or are they giving simply? So basing on that, you observe and 5 silly things or funny things you can write. Now see the third question, which lines of the poem have rhyming words? So which lines? Just observe, give the numbering to your poem. For each and every line, start with 1 and just observe which lines of the poem are having the rhyming words. Okay. Now just see the fourth question. Write 1 more rhyming word for each of the rhyming words found in the poem. So observe each and every rhyming word and for that you want to add 1 more. So if there is thing and zing, you can ask your parents or you can write on your own just by adding some other ing form. So you can see there ing, ing ending. So try to write your own word which are ending by ing. Now see the fifth question. Do you think you should try all the things the poem is talking about? Why or why not? So children, already we thought that they are funny things and silly things. So do you like to try all these things? Yes or no? If it is yes, why you want to try them? Just write the reason. If you don't want to try, why you don't want to try them? Basing on that, you want to complete your answer. If yes, write the reason. If no, then also write the reason and complete the answer. Now sixth one. Do you think we should do silly things or at times? Why not? So really, does anyone allow us to do silly things normally? Do our parents in the school or near the friends in relatives' house? Anyway, do they really allow us to do the silly things? If yes, write the reason. If no, write the reason. What happens with you? Whether your mother allows you, father allows you or someone allows you to do silly things, then write the reason. Okay. Now go for the seventh one, making words. So basing on this, already I had sent you a video how to make the words. So you can see the first, second and third. In seventh one, there are A, B, C bits. Okay. So in that, each and every one you can observe alphabets are there. So basing on that alphabets, try to frame some words and you want to circle the, according to B, you want to circle the tha sound, th tha. Means you want to write some tha sound words also and big letter with all this. Okay. So a big letter with all these letters. Now how is the poem different from a story? So previously we discussed that it is a poem. Why? What is the difference between a story and a poem? See, a poem will have only a few lines and it will be easy to read and it will be very short, taking any one thing and explaining. But story, it will take more time, more characters will be there. It will be having some settings, it will give us some moral, like that many differences are there between a poem and a story. So basing on that, you complete your 8th question. So take time children, take 2 days time and complete your volume and the block 5 question answers PQs and send a pic to the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.